Guys, for today's video guys, dito po tayo sa covered court. Malapit na matapos guys. Malapit na din ang fiesta sa aming barangay.
Please rise.
Diyan po si Idol Tekyo. Hey, 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 hey!
Graduates, parents, and for the improvement and welfare of the community. Behind this pledge is our never-ending love, appreciation, and loyalty to our alma mater, the Calagasan National High School. So help us God.
Thank you so much, Miss Albite. You may now take your seats, senior high school graduates. Everything is about to change as they face tomorrow and say goodbye to yesterday. And as part of this program, let us welcome the kindergarten graduates of 2023 to 2024 as they sing Proud of You as their graduation song. Let's give them a big round of applause, please.